Hello, this is Daniel Grady with a quick look at the markets for today, Tuesday, May 13th. We have a somewhat relaxed economic calendar for today, starting at 9 o'clock GMT when we have ZEW Economic Sentiment Survey from Germany. Germany is a key component of the Eurozone, and a miss here in expectations could generate some volatility in the euro. Then at 12:30 GMT, we have advanced retail sales from the United States. Retail sales also an important component of the American economy, so we could see some volatility in equities denominated in dollars. Moving over to the markets, the S&P 500 jumped to a new record high yesterday, as well as the Dow Jones Industrial Average. This points to significant optimism in the markets at the moment. We have a similar situation during early trading today in Asia, with Asian markets moving also significantly higher. Of course, they did reach a new record, but going into the session today, S&P 500 futures are trading up further by another just less than 0.1%, so we're looking at a neutral to upward bias in the markets. It's also important to point out that after we have a move to a new record high, usually we have a short-term correction in the S&P 500, and also this move here is largely attributed to tech stocks and small cap stocks. So there's, with the continuing concern over market valuations, there's a stronger risk of a short-term correction. Moving over to the euro, was relatively unchanged yesterday, so it still hasn't gone through its correction after this move on the downside. It's still just slightly above support here at 137.50. We have an interim relatively weak resistance level at 138, and then 138.40. Below 137.50, we have our next level of support at 137.10. The pound as expected yesterday went through its correction and is continuing to moving higher. There's a general upward bias for the pound at the moment. It's still trading within a range of 168.40 to 169. The dollar-yen pair moved higher. It's above a relatively weak interim level here at 102.25. This move on the upside is understandable considering the move in Japanese stocks overnight. A move on the upside in the dollar-yen pair shows a weakness in the yen. So we're looking at resistance at 102.75 and support here along this trend line at around 101.80. And then finally we have gold, which has had some volatility here. 1,280 is proving to be a pretty strong support level here, and then we have resistance at 1,310. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching and happy trading.